What's up, guys? Do you always forget your password or worry about account security? In this video, I will show you how to use Google Password Manager step by step, both on Android and PC. We will cover reviewing the Google Password app, managing settings like automatic sign-in, import and export passwords, and edit and delete passwords. Let's get started. Google Password Manager securely store your login in your Google account. It can autofill them across apps and sites, generate strong passwords, sign you in automatically, and alert you if your account has compromised. To get started, open your browser, go to password.google.com, or optionally, you can open the setting from Chrome. Go to the three dots, then password and autofill, then Google Password Manager. This is your central dashboard where you can manage everything. So on the passwords part, you'll see the saved credentials. You can update them, or you can even add a new password to your Google Password Manager. So to edit or delete saved passwords, click on the accounts, then confirm your PC password if you are accessing from the Google Chrome, or if you are on the web page on the website, you will confirm your Google credential. To edit, click on edit. Then you can edit username, password. Then you can save it. Or you can even delete the whole credential. To check your password and scan your accounts, go to Checkup. So it will check your saved passwords and it will list the report. If you have a compromised password, it will list it here, and including the reused passwords count and weak passwords count as well. So if you show compromised or reused and weak passwords, please update them to strengthen your security. And on the setting part, to allow save password and passkey, you can toggle here. To sign in automatically, you can toggle here. So while you access the website that you already have a saved credential, Google Password Manager will sign you automatically. And even you can import passwords. So after saving a CSV file that contains the app name, the URL, and username and passwords, you can import it here. And even you can export the existing password credentials here, but please handle this carefully as anyone who gets this file can access your saved credential. So after you access the password file, please delete the file. To access Google Password Manager on your phone, there are two options. You can go to your Gmail setting, go here, then manage your Google account and password manager here. And you can access all the features that we have seen on browser. So you can access all the saved passwords here. You can add a new password also. You can view, edit, and delete existing credentials. You can check your passwords, and you can access the setting as well here. Or optionally, you can download the official Google Manager app from Play Store. This one. And while you open it, you will see the same as the Google Password Manager on the Gmail. So you can use either of these apps. On Android, you can enable Google Password Manager as your autofill service. To do this, go to your setting, then General Management, and Password, Passkey, and Autofill. Go here and you can choose the preferred service and manage all services for password. So Google to become your autofill, toggle it here. Here is the final tip. Turn on two-factor authentication for your Google account. Don't reuse passwords and keep recovery method updated. And that is it. We know how to use Google Password Manager both on PC and Android phones. It is free, easy, and keep your account safe. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. And let me know in the comment section, do you use Google Password Manager or another tools? Thank you. Bye bye.